going to show you in Gmail, which most of us now use, and also in Outlook. I'll start with Gmail, which is actually, I think, surprisingly quicker. In Gmail, if you click on your settings, click to see all settings in the top right here. Click on filters and blocked addresses, and you want to create a new filter. I've already got one here, but I'm going to recreate it. So create new filter. I'm going to look for all my unsubscribes, create my filter. In Gmail, so that it doesn't stay in the inbox, Gmail works on labels. So I'm going to tick the option up here at the top to skip the inbox. And then instead of just binning it straight off, I'm going to also apply the label, choose a label, and then create a new label. Or in this one, I've already got one created here, which is subscriptions. But if I didn't, I would come in and create a new label and just maybe call it reports. If you wanted to nest it under a particular other label, you could do that as well, or just have it here. This labeling in Gmail works very much like folders in Outlook. And then you create, and that's it. You can then see, I can't remember how long I've had this running for myself, but my subscription folder at the moment has a 1 to 50 of many. I don't review it very often, but I don't need to. This is my personal emails anyway. The same thing now in Outlook. So in Outlook, you can come in, you can right click one of the messages, you can click advanced actions, create a rule. It doesn't have to be for this particular message. It's just the fastest way, I think, to do it. I'm going to ignore that it's this message, and I'm going to click more options. You can rename it in a second. I'm going to change my condition to do exactly what I did in Gmail. Add a condition, so subject, no, keywords, message body includes, and add in unsubscribe again, and that's my condition. Same as I did in Gmail, and then it can be for all subscriptions here. Add an action, I want to move it to, and either select a folder or create a new folder. It can be my subscriptions, and I can click save here. And then save at the bottom. That's it. That's how you create the rule. And actually, I can go in and I can select run rule now. So it runs it on everything in my inbox that's already reached me.